Mickey, where are you going?
I'm going to
You shopping?
the shopping. Oh, look at those.
What?
Look.
A nice kitchen?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Whoa!
They're cute. But let's get back to grocery shopping, Mickey. Can we go back to grocery shopping? Okay, so Halloween is around the corner. That's why. Okay, guys. So I'm just about to pack out my groceries. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. If this is your first time tuning in, we are a nice little family from Jamaica living in Canada. So today we're doing back to school shopping and we're first going to Costco. So come with us. So I know that grocery has gone up a whole lot lately, and it's so expensive to and a lot of people here in Canada can't even afford to buy grocery for their family. Especially if you have a lot of children at home and everything. So you have to try to shop wisely, smart, shop around. Don't just go to one store, but move yourself around and check out the compare prices and try to get a balanced diet in your shopping when you're shopping for your family.
Yeah, oh, I never had bear
Okay,
Wow, Mom, here!
what? Let's look. We're looking for the chips. Whoa, Doritos, Cheetos. Those are too big.
Yeah, we need a small one.
You guys need yogurt. Mickey, help him get some yogurt. Go hold the door for him, Mickey.
Mommy, look at that.
Yeah, it's for Halloween. Okay. Thank you, Joe. Good job. Mm?
Okay.
Wanna try it, Mickey?
Good. Look at
A little bit spicy?
I think I don't want that.
You don't want it? Let me try it. We need one of these, Joe.
Huh?
We need one of these ones.
That's so good.
Yeah. Wow. It's a werewolf and a big skeleton for Halloween. Do you hear him? Okay, so Halloween is around the corner. That's why. Mickey, you want princess dress? Oh. Okay, just stay right here. I'm just going to get some Pepsi.
Mom, look.
Oh yeah. Okay, let's get some groups. Groups are $11.99. Hopefully these ones are like good. Good job, Joe.
Over there, mommy, I think.
Okay, Joe. This one here is my card right there. Yeah. Put it.
Put on this stuff.
Good job.
The cheese.
Okay.
Oh yeah. These oranges look good. Not too 100% sure about my grapes. Them feel. Let me see. Okay, that one I don't feel too bad. All right.
Okay, mom. Chicken. Yep. Thank you.
You want to try, Joe? It's kind of for chicken. No? Okay, I'll eat it. One of the greatest things shopping in Costco is you get to eat while you shop. This chicken I got is so good. It's a little bit spicy. Okay, we're almost done. Oh, is it good? It's good? You don't like it? Can I have it? No! Mini. Yeah, Mickey, can I have some of yours? Good. Yeah. We're not getting those cake, Mickey.
Why?
It's not time for cake. Let's go.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you can put bagel, bread, fries, chicken wings,
We should
whatever.
probably buy this.
Oh yeah? With what money?
I mind that one.
Huh?
Order a babada.
Yeah. Okay. Put it up. Yeah. Mickey here.
I have belt.
Here, Mickey.
Was so heavy.
Okay guys, so we're at Walmart. This is our next stop. Come on, Mickey. I'm gonna finish up our grocery here. Okay. You guys want muffins? Do you want muffin, Mickey?
I want this.
Okay. Here, do you like croissant, Mickey? Here, put this in. Put it in the cart.
Mommy, do you like these? Look.
No, we're not getting too much sweet, okay? You already got
Muffin.
yeah, cupcakes. Yeah. Okay. Got it. That's good. You got cucumber, Mickey?
It's slimy.
Yeah, just put it down here. Mickey, let's go get broccoli. Oh yeah. Pick a good one. Yeah, that's a good one. Which one? Which one, Mickey? Okay, let's get this one. This one looks good. Open your bag. Yeah, get carrot, Joel. One bag. Put it in, please. Don't put it on your cupcake, you know. It's gonna squish it.
Oh, legs. You're a legend, Mom.
Oh yeah, sure. These baby carrots are good for your lunch bag. Let's go. Oh my goodness, shopping with kids. This is good to make sandwiches. Okay, now we're in the international aisles. Okay, we're gonna get 2 of these coconut milk, Jojo. 2 of those. Mickey, I don't know why these milk coffee be so expensive. Put those 3 in the cart, Mickey. Yeah. You guys know I love my choc crackers. Or oxtail. Joe, you want peanut punch? Okay.
Mommy,
Yeah.
you got a pet.
Who's the pet?
Me, you got Peter Punch Joe pet.
We'll put this in my cart, please. We'll put it up on. Here. Thank you very much. Okay, what else do we need here? Oh, Miss Seasoning done there, the Caribbean. Not this one, no, the one all purpose. This one is the one. Caribbean spice. I like this one. I get 2 cock soup. Pink frosted flakes, Joe? Okay. Mickey, go get your cereal, Mickey.
Yeah.
Which one do you want? Let's get the rainbow one up here. No, not that one, Mickey. Let me show you. Where is... Oh, this one, Mickey. The Lucky Charm. Yeah. Okay, now we need some hot chocolate. What? Watch out the way.
Mommy, can we get the Nestle?
That one, hot chocolate, the can.
This one?
No, the round can. Yeah.
Mommy, can we also get the
What's that?
this one?
Oh, yeah, yeah. Don't put it on anything to squish. Yeah. Yeah, French vanilla. Now we're gonna get one tea. Yeah?
Pancake.
Huh? Oh, I'm gonna buy the other pancake, the one that's already made. Hmm. Okay, guys, I'm almost finished with my list. Let's see what else we need. We need pancakes and ice cream. We have maple syrup. We don't need maple syrup, baby. Okay? No, you can put it on top, Joe. Chicken nugget and fries for lunch. Mhm. Let's get some juice.
Yeah, look, juice.
Oh, they don't have.
Mom, put a pink juice.
Oh, sure. That's smoothie, and I'm not getting that, Mickey. Because I don't want to get the pink juice.
Not happy with you.
No. All right, let's get some ice cream. How about that?
Yeah, Mom, get us popsicle. Popsicle.
Which one?
Popsicle.
Okay, let's get some pancakes. Mickey, here. Your favorite.
The card. Two Hershey of these.
Joe, those are toppings. We don't need that. We have chocolate toppings at home. So please put back that. Jesus.
My mom is in the shop looking for toys.
Mickey, where are you going?
I'm going to
You shopping?
the shop. Look at those.
What? A nice kitchen?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. They're cute. But let's get back to grocery shopping, Mickey. Can we go back to grocery shopping?
Do you have only 2 alcohol cans? Or you have
No,
more?
I have 3. Oh, we're not doing that. Can I have 2 large bags so I can start packing? Oh my god, I'm so tired. So we just finished our shopping at Walmart and Costco, and now we're going home. And of course, these kids have to get toys and candies and all the things that are not on the list. Mickey, what are you eating?
Candy.
Let me see. Mickey has some candies. They're called like Shack. Oh my god, they're so ugly.
Mom, that's slime.
Pink Hot Wheel. I don't even know what putty is.
That's slime.
I know what. It's like this.
And Jojo got trained. for absolutely no reason. These kids don't need no more toys. Okay, I'm home. The only thing I bought today for blessing are these little bibs, because I'm out to run so much. So now I'm gonna pack out the grocery. So one of my favorite thing at Costco is that you get these free bread in one package for a good price. So that's good. I don't usually put out all of them, so I'm gonna put some in the freezer so that we don't have out all the bread at once. Alright. And I so love my tray of eggs because we eat a lot of eggs in this house. Believe it or not, these will be finished in 2 weeks. So yeah, I'm gonna put these in the fridge. There we go. Those are the kids' them cereal. This is Mickey. She love our Lucky Charm. I just like Rusty Flake, but I don't know why I chose to go with that. I didn't choose to try out something different. Okay, guys. So I'm just about to pack out my groceries. I put some the food them in here, so because we are gonna wash these fruits. Mickey, you gonna wash the fruits for me?
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. Thank you guys so much for watching our video today. I hope you guys liked it, and if you did, please like and subscribe to our channel for more. Bye.